Alright everybody, so here it is. This is the destruction after the first night and pretty much all day of 20, 30, 40 mile an hour winds with 45, 55 mile an hour gusts. Took a while, but it finally destroyed all the corn and knocked us down. But the biggest problem now is the haunted house, which is completely destroyed. Got pushed in and eventually gave way. Amazingly enough, as you can see, the mannequin is still there and it is not destroyed. So we do not have the time, or I don't have the ability to redo this for this year. So this is going to be it for this haunted house. Definitely too dangerous to get too close to, and to reuse these panels for next year, it's going to be a lot of repairs on it, which is even worse by the fact that it is starting to rain. So with them all ripped, I hope that they're not going to be completely destroyed. That was the cool little hallway there. And let me turn to the side. This hallway is still minorly intact. As you can see, the straight front is now all over the place. And this one's curved all in. So that be it for this haunted house for this year. It's very disappointing and depressing, but it's been a lot of emotional roller coaster this year, worrying about the weather. And the weather finally did it in. We do live in a very windy area, so this is one of the things that can happen. This is actually the worst wind we've ever seen here, so it's one of those worst case scenario things that finally did happen. And it's very disappointing, but on the bright side, I already got all my candy for the neighborhood kids, so trick-or-treating is still on. And it's a lovely sunrise, and you can probably see it on the camera that it's really starting to rain. Water here, so the haunt will go down as soon as the winds die down. If I can find some emergency volunteers to help me with that. And then we'll just try and repair the panels the best we can and shoot for next year. Thanks everybody.